We're living in a world of overstimulation. Look all around you. Do you see the distractions? Right now, as I'm filming this, it's almost December 25th. And for you listening, this is the moment of over-exaggeration when it comes to gift buying, when it comes to whatever you're doing, all the money that you're going to spend, all of the food that you're going to be cooking. And when I say this could be an overstimulation, it could be an overstimulation for writers, for artists, just like you. What I'm going to say here, it may surprise you. You may scratch your head and think, York, why are you saying this? What I'm saying is that it's good to be bored. Exactly. It's good to be bored, to spend some time without being stimulated. Why is that? Well, when you are bored, so to say, in quotes, then your true creative self could form. You could think of incredible ideas. You can't think of so many incredible ideas when you're just always constantly overstimulated. Ideas happen in quiet, in the secret place, in the crevices of the mind, when no one is there, when you're not bombarded with a whole bunch of shiny objects that I talked about from before in a previous video. When you are by yourself with your creative voice, working on your work hard and when it's painful, right? Sometimes boredom could be painful. Sometimes people do not want to just be by themselves, be within that moment. It's kind of scary because of all the thoughts that goes through people's minds. So what do we do as human beings? We stuff those moments with a whole bunch of things, with our devices, with our phones, with everything, so that we will not be bored. We think of boredom as a curse. We think of it as something that's so detrimental that we do not want to take it in whatsoever. But no, boredom is a blessing. Why is it a blessing? Well, because you could think in a clearer way. You could create things. Now, I challenge you. And my son Elijah, he does this at times. Sometimes he could sit for quite a while without being on his cell phone, without watching TV. And I say to him, Elijah, are you just sitting there? He says, yeah, Dad. I said, but the TV's not on. You're not on your cell phone. What are you doing? He's just sitting there, just content. And you and I may look at this and say, what is he doing? He's not doing anything at all. No, he is just sitting. You need to also sit and feel comfortable in your so-called boredom. And when you do that, ideas could form. Some of the best ideas, they form because of that. Look at Henry Ford, right? Look at all of the great thinkers, the great inventors. They weren't bombarded with the modern day technologies. They weren't at all. They worked in silence and they created masterpieces. You could also work in silence and create your own masterpiece. So the death of boredom begins now. All right, if you like this video, please leave your comments down below. Thank you so very much for listening and for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.